Deleting your savings account on Bank of America is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to the website bankofamerica.com. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now go to the article deleting saved user IDs. So sign in to the online banking app of the Bank of America. Here, choose the tab Security Center. Select Use your saved user IDs. This you can find in the user ID portion. Next, scroll down further. Let's entertain the question of how you can delete your account. Now you need to call the phone number given over here and then share the feedback. So for this, make sure that your email address and mailing address are correct. Next step is to bring your account balance to 0. Then, cancel any recurring payments and stop making transactions. You can also delete your banking account by visiting any financial center near you in person. So you can either call on the provided phone number or compose an email to the corresponding authorities. This is the way to delete your savings account on Bank of America.